Aston Martin, the name alone drips with elegance, power, and British prestige. And for 2026, the DB12 isn't just a successor, it's a revolution wrapped in tailored metal. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Aston Martin DB12, where timeless design meets cutting-edge tech, and raw power is dressed in a tuxedo. From a redesigned body to an interior worthy of a James Bond villain, let's dive into why the DB12 is Aston Martin's boldest GT yet. First impressions. The DB12 is drop-dead gorgeous. Wider, lower, and more sculpted than ever, this isn't just a facelift, it's an entirely new design language for Aston's next era. The iconic grille grows larger and more dominant, flanked by sleek, high-performance matrix LED headlights that give the car a sharper gaze. Flowing lines hug the chassis with aerodynamic intent, and those 21-inch forged alloys sit like cufflinks on a perfectly tailored suit. Custom finishes and carbon fiber accents make every DB12 a moving work of art. Step inside, and the DB12 treats you to a blend of old-school craftsmanship and next-gen tech. Every surface, from the bridge of leather seats to the knurled metal knobs, screams attention to detail. And yet, the cabin doesn't feel dated. For the first time, Aston ditches Mercedes software and debuts its own bespoke infotainment system, faster, sleeker, and fully integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 15-speaker Bang & Olufsen system brings concert-level acoustics to every drive, while customizable ambient lighting sets the mood from Monaco to Monte Carlo. Beneath that sculpted hood lives something ferocious, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, sourced from AMG but tuned by Aston's mad scientists. With 671 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, the DB12 isn't playing games. 0 to 60. A lightning-fast 3.5 seconds, making it the fastest DB car ever built. And with adaptive dampers, an electronic limited-slip diff, and multiple drive modes, you can tailor the ride from relaxed cruiser to full-on canyon carver. It's power in its most elegant form, a GT that can whisper or roar on demand. The 2026 Aston Martin DB12 isn't just a beautiful car, it's a declaration. A bold leap into the future that doesn't forget its past. It's a grand tour that's equal parts art, engineering, and soul. So, does the DB12 deliver the drama, luxury, and speed Aston Martin promised? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the world's most exciting machines.